Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you how to change username or name on your Facebook application. To do so, first of all, open your Facebook application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Then, hit on the menu button, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, scroll down and go through the setting and privacy and hit on the settings. Now go through your account center. Then there you will see an option of profile. Go through it and hit on the Facebook. Now select the name to change your name, but make sure that you haven't changed within the 60 days. You can't change it again for 60 days once you have changed. Same goes to the username as well. If you have already changed and it's not been 60 days, then you cannot change it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.